In this video, I will show you how to play PSP games using the Ppsspp emulator. Now, this video is going to be a full and complete Ppsspp setup guide. If you are new to my channel, then do well to click that subscribe button so you can help me grow my YouTube channel. Now, simply start by opening your Play Store app. Now, once your app is open, go ahead and search for Ppsspp because you are actually going to need two apps in order to get this done. Now, you are either going to use this free Ppsspp emulator, or you can go ahead and use the good emulator. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Now, once you've gotten that installed, then go ahead and search for Z Archiver. So you can see it in here. So also install this app, because with this app you'll be able to actually extract your game files, so you'll be able to play them in the emulator. Now, once you are done doing that, go ahead and open your Ppsspp emulator. Now, once your emulator is open, it's going to be like this for the first time. It's going to ask you to create a PSP folder, so go ahead and click on OK. Now, once you click on OK, it's going to bring you to your phone directory. So you have to choose a folder that is going to utilize. As for me, I normally like using this document folder. This is the best folder that I like to use. So I'm going to be clicking use this folder, and then I'll click on allow, and then I'll select OK. And that's pretty much it. Now the app is going to be fully open, but you can see that there's no game in here to play. That's because I haven't actually extracted any game to play. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Z Archiver app. Now, once you open your Z Archiver app, go ahead and locate your Ppsspp game, or rather your PSP game that you want to play. So you just look for the game file. The game file is actually going to be a zip file. So you can see that I actually have some zip files in here, which are my game files. So I'm going to go ahead and extract one of these files right now. So all I have to do is just tap on it and then click on extract here, and it's going to start extracting the game ISO file. Now, as you can see, my ISO file is ready. So I'm going to hold down on this file. So just hold down on it and then click on cut. Now I have to move this game file to the PSP folder. So I'm going to be going to my main directory. Now I'll click on documents, PSP, game, and then I'll paste this game in here. Now I can go ahead and open my emulator once more. Now the emulator do not know where I'm actually keeping my game, so I'm going to have to show it where I'm keeping my game. Now to do that, I'll click on this browse icon that you can see at the top. And once I click on this, I'm going to go to my main directory so I can show you guys from the very beginning. So it's documents, PSP, games. This is where I'm actually keeping my game. So I'm going to click on use this folder, then click on allow, and now you can see that the game is now playable. Now, if you are finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button. And also, there are some settings that you actually need for this video. It's very important. Sorry, that you actually need for this emulator is very important, because without that setting, you won't be actually able to get the the best graphics and the best performance on your device. So I already made a video about that, and I'm going to recommend it at the end of this video. So just stick around so you can get that setting, so you can get the best performance on your emulator. So let's give this game a try and actually see how it goes.
Zach, focus. There are no Shinra troops on this train, understood? Hello to you too!
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.